Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some haircut transformations. First up we see this icy blonde pixie cut. And then we see another dramatic transformation. She goes from a bob to a pixie. Gorgeous, lovely face framing shape that the stylist has created with this one. And then we see someone else who has shoulder length strands. Oh, so she ended up getting this beautiful angled bob. This frames her round face shape perfectly. And then we see someone who has rather long ginger colored hair. So she ended up getting a bob complete with the bangs in the front. I love her hair color, so beautiful. And I believe she is a natural ginger. Her eyebrows match perfectly. So then we see a nice bob haircut transformation. Looks like she has some blonde highlights mixed in here as well. Oh wow, those highlights are gorgeous. I love the hair coloring with that one. Absolutely beautiful. So then we see a bob haircut. Looks like she's getting it colored. Very nice. She ended up getting curtain bangs going there in the front. Sandy brown hair coloring. So with the next client, she does have grown out blonde colored hair. Oh, looks like she might be going very bright with this one. So there's the before. Looks like she ended up getting chunky highlights. I thought maybe she was gonna go ginger when we saw all of that orange, but she went with the chunky blonde. And she also ended up getting some hair extensions. Nice center part down the middle. She would actually look really pretty with ginger colored hair, but the blonde is nice as well. So then we move on to the next one, and she ends up getting a pixie undercut. Alright you guys, I hope that you have enjoyed checking out these hair transformations with me. Here is another look at that ginger transformation, probably my favorite within the whole video. Hope that you have enjoyed this one. If you did, please be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.